everyone, welcome to FUTURETECH channel. Christmas is coming, so how can you DIY a mini Christmas tree with electronic components that can be given to friends and used as an atmosphere decoration? Come and do it with us.
Circuit diagram and required materials are here. Remember to save the screenshot. Welding the power amplifier chip. Welding resistors. Welding monolithic capacitors. Welding the USB socket. Welding the toggle switch. Welding the infrared receiver. Welding electrolytic capacitors. Welding the IC socket. Plug in the microcontroller. Put the two boards together. Welding the two boards together. Welding the speaker. Welding the resistor. Welding the third board. Weld the resistor to the back of the leaf. Welding the lead to the back of the leaf. Welding the leaves to the trunk. After testing, the mini Christmas tree is completed.
Do you like this idea? Come and try it. Remember to follow us. There are more creative ways to play with electronic components waiting for you to discover. Finally, FUTURETECH wishes you a Merry Christmas!